Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks on Fidelity. First, you'll need to open a brokerage account, which is a straightforward process. Once your account is established, you can fund it using various methods like electronic funds transfer or direct deposit. Understanding different order types, such as market and limit orders, is crucial before making your first purchase. This foundational knowledge sets you up for successful trading. Fidelity offers robust research tools to help you identify potential investments. You can use stock screeners to filter companies based on various criteria, including financial performance and industry. It's important to analyze a company's fundamentals and consider how a stock aligns with your personal investment goals and risk tolerance before making any decisions. Once you've chosen a stock, log into your Fidelity account and navigate to the Trade tab. Here, you'll find the trade ticket. Enter the stock's ticker symbol and the number of shares you wish to buy. You'll then select an order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you specify a maximum purchase price. After purchasing stocks, it's essential to monitor your portfolio regularly. Fidelity provides tools to track your investment's performance and set up alerts for significant price movements or news. Periodically review your overall investment strategy to ensure it still aligns with your financial goals and make any necessary adjustments to your holdings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.